Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this fourth day of September 2025. We just finished the U.S. closed live trading room. And as always, trades shown on Trade of the Day are trades actually taken in the live trading room, either by myself or traders trading live in the room. So here we go. And if you'll notice, we'll come to our old friend, the strong candle indicator. This is only can be found at Samurai Day Trading, and it is so powerful. Anytime you get one of these signals with the step and trend, it is completely crazy how well this indicator performs. All right, so we have a strong candle with the step and trend, and we're going to go ahead and wait for just a small retrace here and put a trade down. Now, I expect the next candle, the market's kind of slow today, to be anywhere between 30 and 60 ticks in length. So we'll go over here to our ATM. We'll do a 16 tick first target, then we'll do runners for 30s and 60s and see how we make out. So here we go. Get back to one. Get our order ready to go long. Put the cover order on. And as soon as it retraces, we'll drop that cover order down to the body of the candle. There we go. Not much of a retrace, but it was enough to move it from a cover order down to there. We don't need that much risk. We just put it under the last major failure point, which is here. And now we just let the market do what it's going to do. As soon as it hits our first target, we are going to de-risk the trade completely. Yeah, I thought we had more of a retrace to that, but should be okay. All right. You see the market's really slow. This is 4 times the market speed. So you can imagine how it was at 1 time the market speed. All right, first targets are out. Stop comes up to a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes their stop out, that'll be break-even, and we can decide whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. Now we can't lose money on this trade. The first and second targets are out. And when this candle closes, we're going to stop the replay and show you what happened. I don't think this gets to our 60 tick target. In fact, I'm positive it doesn't on this candle. All right, we're heading down. 18 seconds to go. 4, 6, 2, stop. Okay. Now we have another strong candle indicator back to back. We are already de-risked on the first trade. In fact, we're in profit on the first trade. We can't lose any money on the first one. So we're allowed to take a second trade. So we're going to start with a cover order. Then we're going to, if this retraces, we're going to go ahead and move our stop. We're going to just do the same thing we did on the first one, but now we're going to redo it here. So here's my cover order. And see how we go. All right, waiting for this to retrace a tad. That's good enough. We'll take it and we'll go. So we're in 2 trades at the same time. The first trade is completely de-risked. We've actually made money on it. We cannot lose. All right, the second trade, the stop for that is in a good position. And you notice when we take the first target out, we'll de-risk that as well. And now we could go ahead and boom, first one's up. We de-risk the trade completely. We can't lose any money on the second trade either. Okay, so we're out on the 60 tick target on the first one. All our targets are being filled. So all targets are out on the first trade. The first 2 targets are out on the second trade. And now we are going to kind of squeeze this as it gets up close to the, it touched my 61 tick target and didn't pay yet. We don't want to get nothing on this last try. And boom, targets are out then. Great. Beautiful. That trade took 9 minutes to complete and was worth $1,245. Now, guys, if you want to learn how to make 1,245 US dollars in 9 minutes, I suggest you come join us in the US closed live trading room. We also have a Euro open trading room as well. Come to SamuraiDayTrading.com, SamuraiDayTrading.com. Make sure you get your indicators and live trading room subscription, and then come and make money with us in the live trading room. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless, and we'll see you then.